DVD player. Our wholesale pricing structure is here to save both you and us time, money and frustration. You can buy from us with confidence that all our pre-certified pre-OWE and E-Cars trucks and SU5s are fully serviced and have clean Carfax reports, and are in as close to new condition as possible. Our quality and desire to provide our friends, family and customers the absolute best quality car and great experience is as high as ever. We realize your time and ours is more important than ever, so we encourage you to take our best price and shop and compare, and you will find that we are selling our cars, trucks, SU5s, even our diesels and hybrids and premium vehicles for thousands below retail. We are grateful for you taking the time to shop our inventory and giving us an opportunity to